Uy, dumating na ang aking bagong Poco F7. This is basically a flagship level specs at a mid-range price. Ba't ko nga nasabi yun? Dahil this one has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 together with a 6,500 mAh battery supporting up to 90 watts of fast charging. And what's best dito, meron siyang AMOLED display with 1.5K of resolution and 120Hz screen refresh rate. And of course, Sony IMX882 na camera sensor. But of course, before anything else, samahan niyo ako, unbox natin. So basically, ito yung kanyang box, F7. No? And this is yung kanyang specs na meron ko. Color white na meron natin. No? So, samahan na natin. We have yung malit na box. Inside, we have your SIM ejector tool. We have yung usual natin na mga user guide. And of course, a gray na jelly case. Lambot. And here are some of the specs that you need to know. Okay? So, pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mabasa. And of course, charging cable and your 90 watts of fast charging brick. Buksan natin. Looks nice, though. Ito yung pinakagusto ko dito sa kanya. Ang ganda ng design niya dito sa kanya camera box. Not everyone will like it, pero honestly, I appreciate it. Matte finish siya kanya likod. Makita mo, two-tone siya dito. No? So, this is a more of a pearl white na color. This is a more of a dirty white na color. So we have a metal frames. Yan, ganito yung itsura niya. Looking pretty nice and solid. And yeah, na masasabi ko sa inyo guys na this is definitely one of the phones na sobrang okay. Sobrang nipis na kanyang bezel, maganda kanyang display. And I simply have played all of the games dito na nakita nyo. And basically, kanyang Antutu benchmark, quite good. Now, almost 2 million points na nakuha natin dito. Which as expected, a flagship level na benchmark score. So far, so good naman. And I've tried several kanyang shots. No? So, okay naman. Quite good naman mga camera shots na nakuha ko dito from the IMX882. Yan, kita nyo guys. Oh. Looking good. And syempre, kung gusto nyo makita ang full review natin na sa YT channel na natin, so, those are some of the things na ma-expect mo. And of course, yung battery endurance is definitely one of the better ones na try natin. No? 24 hours, no? Na screen on time. For me, pretty solid talaga to. So, if you're out there wanting to know more about tong bagong Poco F7, no? Now, if you're out there looking for more information about this phone, you can check yung full review natin sa YT channel ko. And if you're interested to buy this one, just simply click the yellow basket.